ओके हाय गाइस, आई एम अन्वेषा एंड कुछ क्वेश्चंस है आपके लिए। क्या आपकी इम्यूनिटी थोड़ी वीक है? क्या आपकी स्किन की हेयर की कंडीशन इतनी सही नहीं है? क्या आपको लेथार्जी लगती है? डू यू फील टायर्ड ऑफन? क्या आपको मोटिवेशन नहीं होती है वर्कआउट क्या या फिर कोई भी काम करने की? हो सकता है कि आपकी बॉडी प्रोटीन डेफिशिएंट है। डिड यू नो दैट RDA और द रिकमेंडेड डाइटरी अलाउंस of protein is a very modest 0.8 grams per kilogram of our body weight. But अनफॉर्चुनेटली इतना भी पूरा नहीं कर पाते हम डेली रिक्वायरमेंट। RDA बेसिकली रेकमेंड करता है द मिनिमम एंड द बेसिक न्यूट्रिएंट यू नीड एवरी डे टू फुलफिल योर डेली न्यूट्रिशनल रिक्वायरमेंट्स। मैं आपको बताऊं, अगर ये हमारे बॉडी में डिफिशिएंट है, जो हम मील से अगर पूरा नहीं कर पाते तो हमें अक्सर ऐसे सिम्टम्स दिख जाएंगे। नाउ प्रोटीन का इतना महत्व क्यों है? Protein is very important because protein is a building block of bones of many tissues like our muscles. इम्यूनिटी को बरकरार रखती है, सेल रिपेयर के लिए, मेटाबॉलिज्म ठीक करने के लिए, फॉर आवर स्किन, हेयर हेल्थ, फॉर आवर ओवरऑल ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट एंड सो ऑन. Now, this is why every day men and women should and must include protein in their daily diet. Now, एक और myth बहुत prevalent है। हमें अक्सर ये सुनने में आता है कि नॉन वेजिटेरियंस के पास प्रोटीन की बहुत सोर्सेस है, whereas comparatively vegetarians do not have so many sources of protein from their diet. But today I'm going to break that myth and I'm going to talk about at least 11 sources of protein for vegetarian people that will really help you in your growth and development. So, what are you waiting for? Let's begin. ओके, सो सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं टोफू की। Now, tofu is made from soya bean, which is a complete source of protein. Tofu is rich in iron, calcium, folate, vitamin K, and fiber. It also has probiotics, vitamin B, and minerals like magnesium and phosphorus. पॉइंट नंबर 2 है लेंटिल्स या दाल। दाल जो हमारे इंडियन घरों में बहुत रेडीली अवेलेबल है, उसमें भी प्रोटीन के सोर्सेज बहुत ज्यादा होती है। 18 grams of protein per cooked cup of 240 ml, and it is rich in fiber, folate, manganese, iron. It also has a good amount of antioxidants and health promoting plant compounds. The third is chickpeas and beans. Now they contain 15 grams of protein per cooked cup. That is about 240 ml. Now chickpeas and beans are also very rich in iron, fiber, complex carbs, folate, phosphorus, potassium, manganese, and many other plant compounds. You know that a lot of studies recommend that chickpeas and beans help in reducing cholesterol, आपकी blood pressure को reduce करती है, blood sugar level को reduce करती है, in fact belly fat reduction में भी बहुत ज़्यादा help करती है ये चीज़. Point number 4 is hemp seeds. Now hemp seeds is again a very complete source of protein जो highly digestible भी है, as well as it has health promoting essential fatty acids. Now hemp seeds has 10 grams of complete and easily digestible protein per ounce. Hemp seed also has magnesium, iron, calcium, zinc, selenium, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid. Now point number 5 is amaranth or quinoa. It has at least 8-9 grams of protein per cooked cup. Amaranth and quinoa are also great sources of complex carbs, fiber, iron, manganese, phosphorus and magnesium. Now 6 is a very staple, हमारे घर पे बहुत रेडीली सबके घर में एक्टिंग होती है और बचपन से हमने देखा है, is Protein X. Now in our hectic daily lifestyle, अक्सर हो सकता है कि our diet is not actually fulfilling our protein requirement because we need to feel safe and body needs to be ready. Our immunity needs to be strong when we step out, right? So in such a case, we can include the Protein X tasty chocolate in our everyday diet. It has zero added sugar with enhanced taste, and it has scientifically formulated to provide protein and 10 other vital nutrients that help in building the immunity. It is clinically proven to provide 34% higher immunoboosters to build immunity, and right nutrition is definitely the key to a fitter, healthier, and stronger body. Protein X tasty chocolate supports immunity, provides energy and strength, helps in growth and maintenance of muscle mass, in stronger bones and also metabolism. बाकी मार्केट में इस रेंज में जितने प्रोटीन ड्रिंक्स अवेलेबल है उनके कंपैरिजन में प्रोडक्ट काफी प्रीमियम क्वालिटी की है. There's no sucrose but sucralose is added. Sucralose is an artificial sweetener, whereas sucrose is stable sugar used at home. So the recommended dosage of Protein-X is 1 serving per day, which is 35 grams. Point number 7 is nuts and seeds. 28 grams of nuts and seeds contains 5 to 7 grams of protein, and nuts and seeds are also great sources of fiber, healthy fats, iron, calcium, magnesium, selenium, phosphorus, vitamin E, vitamin B, and as full of antioxidants. Point number 8 is spirulina or spirulina, however you pronounce it. It is basically a blue-green algae which is absolutely a nutritional powerhouse. Now spirulina, that is 2 tablespoons, provide you at least 8 grams of complete protein. It also is loaded with iron and copper. Spirulina also contains magnesium, riboflavin, manganese, potassium and other nutrients, which also includes essential fatty acids. Number 9 is soy milk. Now soy milk is an excellent replacement of cow's milk. अगर खास करके अगर आप lactose intolerant हो, then it's also great if you're vegan. Calcium, vitamin D से भरपूर है, and it's a complete protein in itself. Soy milk contains 7 grams of protein per cup. Point number 10 is protein-rich vegetables. Most protein-rich vegetables are broccoli, spinach, kale, asparagus, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and Brussels sprouts. They contain about 4 to 5 grams of protein per cooked cup. And the last one, point number 11, is वे प्रोटीन पाउडर्स और प्लांट प्रोटीन पाउडर, जिसकी वीडियो मैंने डिटेल में पहले ही बताया हुआ है. सो वे प्रोटीन आर बेसिकली प्रोटीन डिराइव फ्रॉम milk, and plant protein are of course protein powders which are derived from plants, nuts and seeds. वो भी मार्केट में आजकल easily available है. Just make sure you also get the right good sources. They are also very useful for vegetarian people. So that was it, guys. Those were the top 11 things that you can include every day in your diet to help you get protein. Now I will have the product link of Protein-X in the description box. By the way, Protein-X is also available in the vanilla variant. So anyway, that's it. Let me know that which of these food items do you have regularly in your diet, and if you didn't have it, now is the time to start to make you fitter, stronger and healthier. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.